In this video, I want to share with you 30 prompts for the niche 100 days of school. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 30 prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon because we are coming towards the end of Q4. This is pretty much when sales start to die down. And we can see that with yesterday being a pretty bad day, so only 12 sales, $16 in royalties. That's going to put me at 730 sales for the month, $1,120 for the month. Like I said in my previous video, this has not really been a good Q4 for me. I was expecting to do a lot more, but this has also been the best year that I've ever had on Merch by Amazon. I'll show you those stats here in a second. This is what I did last month for November for Thanksgiving, so you can see not that good either. But like I said, this has been the best year I've ever had. I was just checking my stats for 2023. I did $10,000 for the whole year. But if we look at this year for 2024, you can see the dates right there. I almost did close to triple the amount. There's still a little time left, so I'll probably get to 27,000. So I'm not going to get too bummed out about the kind of crummy Q4 because this year has been phenomenal, and I'm expecting 2025 to be even better. If we take a look at my Etsy stats for December right here, you can see $5,000 in revenue. Now this is revenue, so this is not profit. I make around maybe 35%, I would say. So right around $1,500 to $2,000 in profit, and still a little time there. But you can see even here I'm down as well. Revenue decreased 22%, but I'm expecting next year to be better as well. So just want to share with you my stats for merch and for Etsy for Q4. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. So check it out if you're interested. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the next big holiday, I actually made a mistake. I said the next big holiday in my previous video. I said the next big holiday is going to be Valentine's Day, but there's actually one that's coming up in January, which is 100 days of school. So if we go to Google and we just type in like, what the heck is 100 days of school? It's basically, they start, school starts, right around, September. And they celebrate 100 days of school. They didn't do this when I was a kid. I guess this is maybe a new type of holiday or whatever. But right here we can see most begin anywhere between mid-August, early September. So most classes reach their 100th day between the end of January and mid-February. So this is a big holiday that's coming up. I see this niche do well every year. So I want to make some prompts for it. So let me go ahead and show you those prompts. Actually, first let me go ahead and show you where you can actually purchase the 30 days, or the 30 prompts. So there will be a link in my description and in the pinned comment, 30 100 days of school prompts. You can see right here you get a PDF and a doc. It's 30 prompts. It's only $3. Comes out to, I believe, 10 cents a prompt. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description. But now let me actually go ahead and show you what the designs and prompts look like. So we're just going to jump on over here to my Ideogram page. This is where I like to do my Ideogram designing prompts. I do actually have an affiliate link now for Ideogram, so if you're interested, check it out. And I believe if you sign up with my affiliate link, you get 100 extra credits. So check out that link. It'll be in the description. But this is what the prompts or designs look like. So here we got bro. It's my 100 days of school. And the word bro has been very popular as of late. There's a lot of niches where you can just take a niche, cross niche it with bro, if I'm saying it right. And you get a good design right here, especially with the sunglasses. So this is a pretty good one right here. Next one is 100 days of first grade, no problema. So this was actually one of the first designs ever made on Merch by Amazon like 8 years ago when I first started. I made a no problema design like this. But here they're taking that design and they're cross-niching it with 100 days of school. And this can be scaled. A lot of these can be scaled. It doesn't have to be just school. You can do first grade, kindergarten, third grade, etc. Next one is going to be 100 days of third grade. Again, this can be scaled with the pencils and the hearts. Here we got 100 days smarter. So we're taking 100 days of school, cross-niching it with the space astronaut niche. 100 days of kindergarten. 100 days you must be kitten. So this is a play on words. So instead of saying 100 days, you must be kidding, or kidding me, you must be kitten. This is how you say, a baby cat, kitten. Here we got rocking 100 days of school. So with like the music niche, mission completed 100 days of school. I like this one because it's kind of like triple cross niche. You got Axetal, video games, and 100 days of school. It's actually turned out to be a really nice design. I will admit, Ideogram really impresses me sometimes. I use Ideogram probably about 80% of the time for my designing now. Still use Creative Fabrica every now and then, but more for like 20%, I would say. Sometimes Ideogram can't do everything, so that's why I still like Creative Fabrica. And also Creative Fabrica has really good fonts. Okay, so next one is going to be I tackled 100 days of school. So here we can see 100 days of school cross niche with football. Here we have 100 days of a lot of fun. So we're taking the 100 days of school niche, cross niche with Axetal. This niche took over. I remember like a year or two ago, became really popular. It's like a Mexican salamander. Here we got playing through 100 days of school. Another one where we're cross niching 100 days of school with music. Happy 100 days of school with the unicorn and the books. There's a few unicorn ones, good for the girls. So magical 100 days. This one actually turned out pretty good as well. I crushed 100 days of school. We got the T-Rex on the monster truck reading a book. Here we got 100 days of school with the gumball machine. It actually did two, so 100 days of school, so two of them. Bro, it's my 100 days of school. So another one kind of like the one like this, just a different style. Rolling through the first 100 days. So here we got the unicorn with the roller skates. This girl is 100 days smarter, swinging into 100 days of school. So a lot of niches that you can do for this niche. You can take 100 days of school and just cross niche it with any type of sport. The big ones are going to be like basketball, football, baseball, but maybe try and consider thinking of some other sports that aren't as popular. Maybe like, cheerleading, gymnastics, things like that for the girls. 100 days watching my students grow. This one actually turned out really nice as well. 100 days with my nomies. It's been a wild 100 days. Here's another football one. I tackled 100 days of school. I roared my way through 100 days. So here we're taking T-Rex, which is one of the best niches on Merch by Amazon, cross niche it with 100 days. 100 days sprinkled with fun, a little cupcake. This one is actually one of my favorites, 100 days of magical learning. So here we got the koala with the hearts drinking like some type of tea. 100 days of feeding kids is a work of heart. So this I think is actually for lunch ladies. So, the majority of people that are going to be buying these t-shirts are going to be for like students, for their kids. But you also want to think about like educators, like teachers, lunch ladies, school bus drivers, principals, school nurses. Those are other ways to kind of niche down and maybe, get into some niches not too many other people are thinking about. Here we got happy 100 day of school. My teacher survived 100 days of me, so that's a funny one. And then 100 magical days of school. And then these are some baseball ones because I made a baseball one for the summer that's coming up. But here are the 30 niche or the 30 prompts or designs that I have for you. I think they actually turned out really good for the most part. Like this one's really good. A lot of them I think are really good. This one's really good. This one's really good. This one's probably my favorite. So a lot of them look really good in my opinion. And again, if you're interested, you can go ahead and get them right here. 100 days of school prompts for only $3. I think that's a pretty good deal. And then if you click on my name right here, on my profile pic, you can actually see all the other prompts that I'm selling. So here's the baseball one that I just made. But the ones that are probably going to make the most sense for right now, at least during the date or the recording of this video, is obviously going to be the one that I just showed you, the 100 days of school. But we also have St. Patrick's Day coming up, Mardi Gras coming up, Valentine's Day coming up. So, this one, this one, this one, and this one, these 4 ones right here. If you are into, making designs about, holidays, trending, events that are coming up. But another one that's also going to be really good is I have this 500 evergreen prompts. So if you're really into like evergreen niches, I would definitely recommend checking this out. Basically what it is I took this one right here, 100 health awareness prompts, 100 career prompts, 150 food prompts, and 150 animal prompts. And I made a, what's it called? A collection. And Okay, so sorry about that. My screen recorder cut me out. For some reason, it tends to do that once I get to like 9 minutes or whatever. But basically, I was just talking about this bundle of 500 evergreen prompts. So if you're interested, check it out. Another one that's also you might find of interest is that I have 100 prompts for like February and for January. So if you click on next right here and you just scroll down right here, we're going to see, so like February, January, and if you click on these and you copy and paste the YouTube link right here, you can actually see what the designs or the prompts look like. All right, so just copy and paste that into your browser if you're interested and want to know what these 100 prompts for trending February niches look like. But that is basically going to be it for today's video. I do have an announcement coming up towards the end of the month, so make sure that you have you're subscribed or you have the bell clicked so you can see what I will be announcing. But I think that's basically it. Hope you guys are having a great holidays, enjoying Christmas with your family. But like I said, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.